And now for today's quiz on continents. We have Pat Gregson from Manchester on the line. Good morning, Pat. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
OK, Pat. Which continents are the following in? Mount Everest.
Oh, that's in Asia.
You're right. Angel Falls?
South America?
Correct. The Grand Canyon?
Oh, that's easy. North America.
Correct. Malta?
Europe.
You're right again. Lake Geneva?
That's in Europe too.
Yes, that's right. The River Nile?
Africa.
Good. How about Niagara Falls?
It's in North America.
Correct. The Gobi Desert?
Is that in Africa?
No, actually, the Gobi Desert is in Asia.
Oh, right.
Now, what about Ayers Rock?
Oh, definitely Australia.
Yes, that's correct. And lastly, Mount Vesuvius?
Europe.
Yes, well done. You got 9 out of 10 questions right. And now you go through to the next round where we're comparing...